choose, for example, Bryce over to this guy.
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of
judge.
the Diskaya? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is
Qualified
resumed.
sila.
Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed. Go ahead, go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings. If you will not allow me raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ako ng opening statement po?
Proceed, proceed.
Ano pang gagawin natin dito? Ipagpuproceed kayo without giving hearing niya?
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay hindi nakasagot sa maraming tanong sa mga nakakaraang huling araw upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking minahal sa loob ng 30 taon. Subalit, itong mga nakangaraw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip at tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na ito para po sa bayan. Narito po ako sa harapan niyo ngayon upang tumulong ng buong puso abot ng aking